Silverball Mania 2023. That's working now. There we go. Let's do it again. I'm just going to lose the ball to show you that it works. There you go, ball two. There's a lot of sickly colored old school LEDs in there that were really kind of faulty, not too good, so we replaced those. Put some red up there and a little more warmish LEDs, a mixture, a little more appropriate for the game. Silicone, white rubber roller, I got rid of that black rubber that was kind of junky. And then fix the electrical issue it had. Didn't really touch anything in the back box. The electrical problem was in the playfield. So a bunch of stuff, playfield stuff I had to do. Didn't touch anything back there at all. That seemed pretty good the way it was. So. I greased the spinners up too, so they spin a lot better now. And there you go. Silverball Mania 2023 edition. Darker Days Pinball Restorations. Playing like new again.